With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Welcome to Doubtnut. In this question, ask about the calculate the mass of the nitrogen in 1000 kg of urea. Answer corrected to the nearest kg. Let's discuss about the nitrogen in the 1000 kg of urea. It is given that given mass of urea it is equal to 1000 kg, and in gram it is 1000. 1 kg have 1000 grams, so multiply by 1000, it is in gram, so it is equal to 10 to power 6 gram. So let's discuss about the molar mass of urea. Urea has formula is NH2C double bond O NH2. So here if we calculate the molar mass of urea, then it contains two nitrogen atoms, so 2 into 14 plus 4 H atoms, so 4 into 1 plus 1 carbon atom, so 1 into 12 plus, and 1 oxygen atom, so 1 into 16, because oxygen have molar mass is 16 gram, carbon has molar mass 12 gram, nitrogen have molar mass 14 gram, and hydrogen has molar mass is 1 gram, so it is equal to 60 gram. Molar mass of urea is 60 gram. So first of all calculate the moles of urea. Moles of urea is given mass in gram, given mass in gram divide by molar mass. So it is given mass is 10 to power 6 gram divided by it is equal to 60. It is the number of moles of urea. It is number of moles of urea. And one urea molecule contain 1 mole of urea contain 2 moles of nitrogen. So number of mole of an atom in 1 mole of urea, it is equal to 2 mole, because one urea molecule contain 2 atoms. So number of moles of an atom in 10 to power 6 divided by 60 mole of urea, it is equal to 2 into 10 to power 6 divided by 60 mole. So this is the number of moles, which is 10 to power 6 divided by 30 mole and nitrogen, 30 mole nitrogen. So then after calculate the amount in gram. So amount of nitrogen in gram, it is equal to number of moles into 14 gram, because 14 has the molar mass of nitrogen atom. So here nitrogen atom, it is the nitrogen atom. So here it is equal to number of moles, it is equal to 10 to power 6 divided by 30 into 14 gram. So it is the amount of an atom in gram, and here it is equal to 46.46 6 into 10 to power 4 gram and 66 gram, and it is equal to in kg, then divide by 1000, then it is equal to 46.66 into 10 kg, and it is equal to 46.66.6 kg of nitrogen contained by 1000 kg urea. So it is our answer. Thank you. Have a nice day.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.